shorter route because of time constraints. If we were to keep you here the whole day, I'm sure other things would have taken the sideways. So I'm responsible for the RFI project, and I'm from Group Business Development. The Blue Train has been with Transnet for the longest of time, and in that period, it's changed hands between TFR and Group Business Development. Recently, we've taken it back to TFR because of other internal processes that were still held within TFR. So in terms of segregation, it was a bit difficult for us to manage that.